Good morning and welcome to online webinar, which I have the pleasure to participate in. As you know, the Light and Building Trade Fair has been postponed until the 27th of September and it will be held until the 2nd of October. During the Light and Building Fair we wanted to present a few of the novelties that Ledline has introduced in 2020. And we thought that we will take this opportunity in the form of this webinar to show you all the novelties that we have introduced this year. Before I jump into the product section, maybe it's worth mentioning our strategy for the upcoming years. So the products which we are developing and which we are going to develop in future will be related heavily towards the human-centric lighting concept, which I'm gonna talk about during the course of this presentation. And basically what it means is that the products that we are developing at the moment, we put focus upon the human needs, safety, comfort and well-being. And you will note from today's presentation that some of the products will have the features of the human-centric lighting. Very important product section for us is the industrial lighting, and this is what we are going to begin with. And the amazing solution, in my opinion, which we have developed this year, is our Ranger tree-proof light, which you can see on this board here. Why is it so special? For a number of reasons. The first and the foremost, the most important reason for me, in my opinion, is that this product is 12-in-1. Which means that we are providing 12 different product variants in one luminaire. So basically this saves you costs, this saves you storage and space in your warehouse, because you've got 12 different products in one and you can serve 12 different customers using one product. What does 12-in-1 mean? Basically, you've got 4 different wattage options or 4 different power options, and you can choose the power using the dip switch provided in the LED driver. You have the chance to choose either 25 watts, 30, 35 or 40 watts, and also you have a choice of 3 different color temperatures, which is 3000 kelvins, 4000 kelvins and 5000 kelvins. And let me just show you how it works. Basically, another important feature is that it's so easy to open the tree-proof. I'm deliberately not switching the light on yet for safety reasons. Okay. Okay. This is how quickly you can open the luminaire, and as soon as you open the luminaire, you've got the high quality Osram driver, okay, which assures durability and long lifespan. And here, using the driver, you've got the option of choosing 4 different wattage options, which I just described, and also you've got 3 different configurations of color temperature. And just by way of example, I'll just show you. Okay, so you've got the daylight, cold white, and warm. All right, 12-in-1. Okay. Maybe for the purpose of the presentation, I'll just keep it switched on. All right. So as I mentioned, we are using the high quality Osram driver equipped with dip switches. Another very important feature of this product is that it is made of the polycarbonate diffuser. And what advantages does it give you? So, first of all, as you can see, the diffuser is transparent one. And because it's transparent and made of polycarbonate material, it gives around 90% of light transmission, which is a lot. And in conjunction with high quality LEDs that we have used for the production of this product, we achieve 140 lumens per watt from the luminaire, which is very important. So we are achieving 140 lumens from the luminaire. What does it mean for the investors? Naturally, such a high lumen efficiency gives you the chance to buy less or invest money in less luminaires, saving money for the lighting project, okay? And therefore you've got a much better return on investment. Also, another very important feature of this polycarbonate diffuser is that it's equipped with anti-glare function. All right. So that means basically that thanks to the diffuser that we have used, we achieved UGR below 25, which naturally is very important aspect, especially for the workers at the warehouse. It doesn't cause glare, and it's much more comfortable for the eyes of the workers, increasing their efficiency at work. And very important argument is that the cover is UV radiation resistant, which means that it doesn't turn yellow. So it keeps its aesthetics and pure whiteness for many years, and you don't have to worry about the fact that after 1 year the cover will turn yellow. All right? So that's the cover. What I haven't mentioned is that the cover is IK08 resistant, so it has a very high mechanical resistance to damage. With the use of the special socket located just here, you can use this luminaire to link it to other luminaires. So you just connect the first luminaire to the power cable, and then you use this special socket in order to create a linear lighting. Okay. And what's more, it keeps its IP66 protection, which is very important. So normally the ledline industrial lighting is equipped with IP65 protection rating. This luminaire has got much better protection. It's IP66. The product comes with 5 years warranty. Okay. And the power factor is above 92. Okay, very important aspect, especially for the investors. Naturally, such a high power factor rating saves you money. You don't pay for the electricity that you haven't used for the passive power. And we give warranty for 100,000 hours. So the parameter is L7TB50, which means that the 70% of the population of the LEDs will light up. Sorry, the 50% of the LEDs will light up at least 70% after 3 years. So I think that was it for the Ranger. I can now switch it off. And let's move on to another product, which is our Lunar ceiling light. Very similar to our Lunar light fixture, however it's much more advanced version. Okay, this model comes in 16 and 22 watts power. Okay, and what is special about this product? First of all, it's extremely easy installation, and let me just demonstrate it to you. You are able to, you don't need any special tools, any screwdrivers. You just use your fingers basically to install it. basically by clicking it like this, and also it's very easy to install it. The one thing which you have to remember is that the rail is you have to be spot on, and you have to be you have to make sure that you putting the luminaire in the right direction. Okay, so the clicks must be like quarter to 3 on the side. Another important aspect, and this is a very good news for you, is that the regulation switches, which is lux, sense, time and standby, are located outside the cover, and this is very good for the people who install the luminaire, because unlike the Lunar, they don't have to use tools in order to get inside. All the switches are located just underneath here. Okay, so maybe let's talk about the switches. It will be very difficult for me to show you what's underneath. However, we have used our marketing material just to show you how the switches look like. So the first switch that you are going to see is the lux switch, which basically means that you have the possibility to adjust the lux ratio, the rating, upon which the luminaire will start illuminating basically. The minimum ratio is 3, so very dark, and the maximum is daylight. Sense, obviously, as you know, that means how sensitive the luminaire will be when detecting movement. The time, it speaks by itself, from 10 seconds to 12 minutes. And the most innovative function, in my opinion, is the standby function, which is new. We haven't had it in our Lunar product. So basically what that means is that as soon as the luminaire switch on, when you enter the building or the room in which the Lunar is installed, the luminaire will switch on and bright up to 100% brightness. But then you can choose the standby mode, and when you leave the room, the luminaire will dim to 20%. I hope I can show it to you right now, but we are moving up. I hope you have seen this. And now imagine the person is, so it dimmed already down to 20%. Now when the person comes in, it lights up back to 100%. The diffuser, like in the case of the Ranger, the diffuser is made of polycarbonate, and again it gives you high light transmission and full protection against UV radiation, so it keeps its pure whiteness for many years. It keeps its aesthetics for a long time. IK10, so very resistant to mechanical damage, and also it comes with IP65 protection rating. Power factor in this one is 0.9, so very high power factor rating again, and then again what it means for you is that you save money because you don't pay for the passive electricity, and the product comes with 5 years warranty. Okay, so that was Lunar. Let's move on to another industrial light, another industrial luminaire, which we would like to show to you today, is our Project Floodlight. And the Project Floodlight is dedicated for the illumination of large storage places, halls, any other industrial buildings where the high quality of lighting is required, and also where the durability and long lifespan is required from the investors. The project Floodlight, let me just switch it on for you. The project Floodlight comes in various options, so 16 watts, that's the first option. We then have 30 watts, 50, 100 and 200 watts. And 200 is very is something that we have created for your needs. So we were listening to your feedback, and we thought that we need to create something more powerful for the needs of our business partners, and therefore we have come up with 200 watts option. For the purpose of the presentation, maybe I will keep it switched off, because the light is too strong. So as you, I mentioned we've got 200 watts option, and this is it. The huge luminaire with 200 watts power consumption. Okay. What can we tell about this product? First and foremost, it's equipped with LumiLEDs LEDs, so high quality LEDs which give us 110 lumens per watt. At the same time, we give you assurance that the LED doesn't warm up beyond 85 degrees Celsius. Okay, as you can see, the product is equipped with a very massive ribbed aluminium housing in order to cool it down basically, and to put the heat outside the luminaire. It's quite heavy, so I'll put it down again on the table. 100 watts and 200 watts comes with manual driver. Okay, and for this product we give you 5 years warranty. The product comes with IK06 and IP65, and what's worth mentioning is that the product is actually equipped with a breather valve in order to make sure that the water or the steam doesn't condensate. Okay, so basically the product breathes and we make sure that you cannot see any water and steam on the diffuser, so it keeps its aesthetics for many years. Important thing to mention is that you don't need special tools in order to adjust the beam angle. You just use the screws here, and you can very easily unscrew it by hand. With the option with 100 watts and 200 watts, slightly different. Obviously we have to make sure that we use strong material, so all you need is just the Allen key in order to adjust the beam angle. Very nice and easy. Good news for the installers, because it's very quick. It doesn't take too much time for you to install the floodlight. So when you've got the power cable, you've got the quick connector here, and you can very easily connect it to the power cable. Just making sure that we've covered all the points. One thing I haven't mentioned is its wide voltage range. It's from 100 volts to 240. Okay, so that's Project Floodlight. Another series of floodlights is our photon floodlight, and the photon floodlight comes with standard version and RGB version here, which you can see here. Let me just switch it on for you. The photon comes with 10 watts, 20, 30, 50 and also 100 watts. So again, this is something that we didn't have for smaller floodlights. I think the maximum was 50 watts in the past. Now we have extended our portfolio with 100 watts option. The photon floodlights come with IP65 rating, and the standard version comes with sensor and without sensor, which is worth mentioning, and also the 100 watts version comes with a sensor. And again, this is our reply to the business partners' questions, just to accommodate their needs. Unlike the project floodlight, this version comes with 3 years warranty. And very important thing to mention is the way how you install it. So no more hassle for persons who want to install it very quickly, because maybe for the purpose of presentation I will just switch it off. All you need is your screwdriver, and you need to screw in just 3 screws here. Very important thing. Let me just show you the design of the product. You can see that the bracket, the mounting bracket, is located just underneath the product, so you don't have to hassle anymore, because all you do is just to you just need to screw the 3 screws, and you've got very easy access directly into the screws. Okay, so we can now nicely move on to the RGB version. In order to control the RGB floodlight, you will need a smartphone or a tablet and a Bluetooth connection. Okay, so it's controlled by Bluetooth. You don't need any special protocols, any other devices apart from Bluetooth and a smartphone. To control it, you need a smart life application or a TUIA application, because this is what the product is based on. Very easy, very intuitive to control. It's a basic switch on, okay, and you can choose any color you like from this palette, and naturally you can dim it, and you can increase the brightness. Okay, so let's leave it like this for a while. This product comes with 50 watts option only, but I believe as the time flies we will be developing this product group, because it had a great interest during the Warsaw Light Fair 1 month ago. So that's good. That's very optimistic, and I hope the product will be becoming more and more popular. Don't forget about the installation. Very easy installation. Exactly the same as with the standard version. You've got all the same advantages. So easy installation, IP65, so you can obviously use it outside, and IK06. Just like the standard photon, the RGB photon comes with a 3 years warranty. Yes. And I think now we can move on to the Aura panel. Okay. Before I go to Aura and Aura Smart, I just wanted to remind you about last year hit, or last year novelty, the Aura panel. Okay. We introduced it 1 year ago, and it's a bestseller at the moment. We thought we will upgrade the product for you and for your needs, so that you can use it for more projects, for more places like preschools, and therefore you now have the opportunity to paint this product in any color you like, which is available from the RAL color palette. Okay, so you can have it in any color you wish, and let me just demonstrate to you a few options that we've got here just above me. Okay, you can contact us and we can give you the full information on what colors are available. Actually, you need to wait a bit more in order for us to process the order, because it's for custom orders only. Jura, it comes with a multi-power driver, just like Ranger, but here you've got 8 options. So you've got the range from 15 or 16 to 36 watts, and just like in Ranger, you use a dip switch in order to choose the right power which suits your needs. Efficiency, very high, it's 150 lumens per watt, okay, at its best. So very powerful, very efficient, and at the same time we give you 5 years warranty, and ensuring that the LED chip doesn't warm up more than 85 degrees Celsius, which is our standard. So return on investment, and that reduces the costs for lighting investments. Moreover, this product comes with specialist optic lenses, and we assure you that the product has UGR below 16, so you can use it for any project that you like. There is 75 degrees beam angle here in this product, and what's more important, it's a flicker-free product, so it's equipped with flicker-free technology, so it doesn't cause any irritation or discomfort for the eyesight, for your eyes, making sure that the efficiency of the workers is increased and it boosts up the efficiency at work. Okay, so that's Jura as a reminder, and a novelty in 2020 is our Aura panel. Aura panel is a continuation of EasyFix panels. As you may remember, last year or 2 years ago we introduced EasyFix panels. This product is based on the concept of EasyFix, very similar but more advanced. So this product gives you all the advantages of our previous EasyFix panels, which we still have in offer for you. Okay, so very easy installation and 2-in-1 installation basically, so you can install it on surface and recessed. Okay, and also you've got, thanks to the adjustable mounting rail here, you've got the possibility to adjust the mounting bracket into the existing mounting holes, and you don't have to drill new holes in order to install this product. What's more, Aura Smart, as the name indicates, it's based on human-centric lighting concept, because you can control the light and adjust the light to your natural rhythm, circadian rhythm. Okay, so let me just switch it on for you. Okay, maybe I will use a smartphone, sorry, or tablet. In order to control the Aura Smart, you need a Smart Life application or a Tuya application, because it's based on Tuya technology. Unlike the floodlights, Aura Smart is controlled via Wi-Fi, so you can control the light from any place in the world, basically. Here it is. Tuya gives you a wide range of opportunities or possibilities to control the light. Apart from just basic dimming and color temperature changes, you've got smart options basically, so you can make such a configuration according to smart lighting devices which suits your needs, but we can provide more information to you on the possibilities in due course. Aura Smart comes with 3 different colors, which is very important. Okay, thanks to the magnetic cover, we have one product, and by buying separate magnetic frames, we can have one product in 3 colors basically. Installation is very easy because it's all magnetic, so that's it. That's how easy it is. Okay, to take it off, and just take it off. Aura Smart comes with 18 watts option to start with. I deeply trust that we will be developing this product, and we will be developing different wattage options. At the moment we've got 18 watts, and using the smartphone or the tablet, we've got the temperature range from 2700 kelvins to 6500. Okay. One more thing, it doesn't dim to 0%. In order to switch the product off, you need to press the off or on-off button, because it will dim to like 3% maybe, something like this. But when you want to dim it, or if you want to switch it off, you have to use the button. Okay. The product comes with 3 years warranty, and also it's equipped, just like other products, with polycarbonate diffuser, which means high light transmission, strong resistance to mechanical damage, and also yellow-free technology, so it doesn't turn yellow after a few years. Okay. We also have another model, the Aura standard panel. Exactly the same features, so I won't go through them again, it's pointless. However, the standard Aura is different to EasyFix because it's dimmable. Okay, so if you want a dimmable EasyFix, you choose Aura standard, and it's triac dimmable. Okay, so that was our industrial lighting and panels. Now we can move on to LED strip section. So as you know, we've got more than 120 different models, different variants of LED strip in stock and in our offer. However, what is worth mentioning is that this year we have introduced a Dementor LED strip, which I will present to you in a moment. Okay, the dim to warm, the fascinating technology, because as you dim the LED strip, you also at the same time are changing the color temperature, and you change the color temperature from 6500 kelvins down to 1600, so it's very warm. At the moment we've got 1600, and we can, as you can see, as we are making it more brighter, it changes the color temperature. Alright, the LED strip, this variant comes in, it's powered by 24 volts, okay, which is the most popular voltage at the moment on the market, at least in my opinion. And what's important is that when you choose the controller for this LED strip, you need a one-channel controller only, okay, with quite high frequency, because you need to have at least 3 kilohertz frequency in order to, and this is the most suitable controller for this strip light. Okay. As I said, we have a wide range of expert LED strip in our offer. So not only dim to warm, but we can provide you with high CRI, Samsung Ultra Slim, what we call it, Twist, RGB, LED strips. So more than 120 models to choose from in our offer. Worth sending a question, we'll be very happy to assist. And the last thing which I would like to show you today is our dimmable range of light sources or lamps. This is again our responds to your needs. Okay, you were asking a lot about the dimmable sources, so as you can see, we've got E27 13 watts, E14 9 watts filaments, GU10 spots in a dimmable version. How it works, you all know, very easy. The list of compatible dimmers will be probably on the boxes, the product boxes, but apart from the dimmable lamps, we also have the narrow beam angle lamps. So probably you can't see it, but we've got very narrow beam angles for accent lighting. So if you want to illuminate and give accent to like single elements of your decoration, you can highlight it with the use of our spots equipped with special lenses, optic lenses. Alright, and the last thing I would like to show you is our new catalog 2020 version. Okay, I would like to invite you to our website www.ledline.pl/en, okay, for English language version. On the website you will find information about all the novelties which I presented to you today. You have the opportunity to download any photometric files, documents that you require for your projects and for your information, and I'm sure you will find a lot of useful information in our new catalog. Thank you for your time, thank you for being with me, and I hope to speak to you shortly. Bye.